Hey, in this video I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Cable to Stream TV app, show you everything we have to offer in the app and what you're missing out on for just a few bucks a month. So as you can see from our main dashboard, we have live TV, movies on demand, and series on demand. Our main feature is live TV, so we'll check that out first. It's divided up into different categories. The network TV is your major cable networks. Regional locals are the ABC, CBS, NBCs, and Foxes from different cities across the United States. We have the sports networks, the NFL and the NCAA football section, NHL section, NBA section. During baseball season, there's an MLB, a pay-per-view, football, rugby, 24/7. If you're not familiar with 24/7, it's a channel, a bunch of different channels, and each channel is dedicated to a movie franchise or a TV series, and it just plays episodes or movies from that franchise one after the other non-stop. And then we have international channels and also adult channels. So we'll go back up, I'll show you in each of these. We'll start with the network TV, the most popular section.
Your brain is an amazing
I'm going to go ahead and pause it here. Or I'm sorry, mute it. There is sound, but I'm going to mute it so you can hear me. So as you can see, there's a preview window in the top right, and underneath is a guide. And it'll keep playing the channel that is highlighted in green, but I'm going to scroll through different channels here, and you'll see that the guide changes for the channels. So we have a couple of local channels at the top there, and then starts the cable network, starting with the A&E. If you want to make it big, you just hit the button again. Makes it big so you can watch it full screen. AMC, Animal Planet. We'll go through and just check a couple channels, show you some channels. Cartoon Network, CNN, Comedy Channel, Discoveries, Disney's for the kids. Like I said, it's all alphabetical here. Hallmark Channel for all the Christmas movies. Lifetime for the ladies. MTV, Nickelodeon, Paramount, Sci-Fi, TBS, TNT, Travel Channel, TV Land, USA. It's all here, all the major cable networks. And then we also have the premium movie channels. Several different HBO channels, several different Cinemax channels, several different Showtime channels, several different Stars, some Epics, some Sky Cinema channels, and then this is some religious channels here at the bottom. So that's the network TV. That's what most people get our service for. Here's sports networks. We got a sports mix up here. ESPN, bunch of different ESPNs. Like I said, you can just clear it again, make it full size. And there is sound. Just remind you that I just have it muted.
Into the end zone, 18. Chargers.
Just have it muted for the video. So you can see there's a bunch of different channels here. I'll start at the top. I accidentally hit the button and went down to the bottom. So we got the ESPNs, ESPNU, bunch of Fox Sports, NFL networks, Major League Baseball, NHL, UFC Fight Pass, WWE, local, Golf Channel, the Big Ten Network, Longhorn, the SEC. There's a bunch of different ESPN college channels, Fox College, Fox Sports, tons of different sports networks, Pac-12s, Box Nation, BT Sports, Sportsnet 1, Sportsnet Ontario, Being Sports. Tons of sports channels. Also have the BR Lives where they show events. It's the middle of the night right now, so there's no actual football games on, but it is Sunday, so you can see this is how it is on Sunday. You'll have a regular and a low bandwidth for each game that's on. It tells you what time the game starts and who's playing. And then on Saturday or other days with college football, it's set up kind of the same way with the games. NHL, if there was a game on, you'd see it like it was in the NFL section. And NBA is listed by team. There you go. So there were games on today earlier, but they're not on now because it's too late at night. But you would just click to go to that channel and it will play that game. Pay-per-views, there's no pay-per-views today, but they'd be listed in here. Same way it had the time and who's playing, whatever's the pay-per-view is. 24/7, like I said, it's one channel dedicated to a franchise or a series. It'll just play one after the other after the other. You don't know which one it's going to play next, but it's just a continuous loop. It's around the holidays, so we have a bunch of Christmas ones at the top here. But then you can see there's, I believe, over 200 different channels here. You know, if you like Bar Rescue, you can just watch Bar Rescue non-stop, one after the other after the other. Bernie Mac, Big Bang, Dallas, Dexter. And like I said, there's also a movie like Eddie Murphy movies, Fast and Furious movies, so on and so forth, alphabetical order. 200 of them, different franchises. A lot of people like the 24/7. And like I said, there's international channels and adult channels. I'm not going to go over those. Then we also offer, you've seen how I showed you the guide, but a lot of people are used to their traditional cable guide. So if you click in the guide section, it lists the TV, live TV the same way. But when you click to go in it, instead of a list of channels, it'll be like a gridded guide, kind of like your cable guide that you might be used to. And it works the same way. You just scroll down, pick something you want to watch, click the button, and it takes you there. And then finally we have movies on demand and series on demand. So the movies, there's a bunch of different categories. There's almost 2,000 regular movies. There's some kids movies, 4K movies, Halloween movies and Christmas movies, because we just came from Halloween and it's now Christmas. Some Spanish, a lot of adult. Go into the movies. Movies here at the top, or as new ones get added or better copies of them get added, they'll be here at the top next to new releases. Play movie. You don't have to search for sources or anything. You just click it one time and it'll play. HD quality, 1080p for this one. We have 3 different types of movie qualities. If it doesn't say anything like this one, or if it says 720p or 1080p, then they're HD or DVD quality. If it says HC, it's hard-coded Chinese subs, so the quality is still DVD quality. But it is from China and it has hard-coded Chinese subtitles, which you cannot get rid of. But like I said, it is good quality. You just have to deal with the subtitles. Eventually it will get upgraded to a full HD with no subtitles. And then the last quality is usually when we first get them, it'll say cam, HD cam or cam. And those are typically poor quality, but they are watchable. Show you what one of those looks like. So as you can see, it's watchable, but it's not the greatest quality. So those are the 3 qualities we have. And after you get through the new releases, it's quite a few now because they've been adding and adding and adding onto it. There is a library. Oh, I think I passed it. Yeah. So here's where the library starts right here. And then it's alphabetical order. The library movies there. But you can always go up to the top and search for a movie, for a specific movie, if you know what you're looking for, to see if it's on here. And then finally we have series on demand, which is TV shows, kind of like Netflix. These are listed, the libraries at the top in alphabetical order. And then once you get through, you'll notice down here they start being jumbled up because these are the newer ones that were added, so they're not in alphabetical order down here. So you would have to scroll through them to see what ones were added. So they're not in alphabetical order, like I said. But you could always go up to the search and search for a specific one. Then, like I said, click it. You can sort by episodes or seasons. This one only has one, so you can pick the episode, click to play it, it'll play it. And that's the service. That's everything we have to offer. It gets updated continually. New series get added or new movies get added regularly. We do get new channels added occasionally as well. Get a lot of bang for your buck. All the sports packages, all the pay-per-views, all the cable channels, everything for just one low price a month. CableToStream.net. Check it out.